These are my favorite garden snips. They are by a company called Corona, who does not pay me to tell you this, but they are still my favorite. They're the ones that my friend who's a flower farmer introduced me to them, and we stock them now. Always have tons of them around, and I even soak them in vinegar at the beginning of the season so that they're nice and clean. And then Erin was so kind to sharpen them for me, so they're no longer sticky, they're clean, and they're super easy to handle. So if you comment below, I will send you the link to my favorite ones. You can buy them on Amazon. You can probably buy them at most of your local garden stores, and these are the best ones for a lot of the like smaller trimming. I wouldn't use these if you have something bigger than like 1/4 of an inch that you're trimming. Like if we do anything with like the fir trees or pine or cedar, we get out the bigger ones, but these are awesome for all of the little, all the little ones when you're cutting your feverfew. Look at, they do such a good job. And if you ever get to the point and they are not doing a good job, you need to sharpen them. You need to get them cleaned up. So comment below. I'll send you the link.